Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bob Blue. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and factory reset LG F260S, LG F240S and LG F240L. So with this method you can remove every lock screen security from your phone. Please like this video, share, comment. If you have any problem, just write it in the comment section and I will check it out. Thank you so much. Let's go straight into the video. Now press the power key and the volume down key together. Stick your two fingers to the two buttons till your phone shows the reset instruction. And then after the phone shows the reset instruction, quickly release the two buttons. So now you got to be fast in releasing the two buttons, because if you delay, this person will cancel. So as soon as it shows, release the two buttons. Now press the power button to confirm that you want to reset your phone, and make sure you back up every data on your phone, or else you may lose every information on this phone. Very simple. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and then comment if you have any problem with this video.
Have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison.
So now this phone has successfully reset. I'm just going to follow the instructions on the phone to set up this phone offline. So you're not going to bypass any Google account. You are not forced to add a Google account. So let's get straight to the instruction part of this video, and don't forget to like this video. So now you want to go ahead and select the language. It's actually in Chinese, so I'm going to select English and then press the next button. So make sure you read every instruction on the screen and then press next. You can press yes or no if you want to add Google account. So also press not now and then press next. You get to this screen after reading, and then just continue to press next till the done appear on the screen. Now go ahead and press the done button, and then your phone has successfully reset, removing every pattern and password or security on this phone. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any problem with this video. Thanks.